Hello and good evening and welcome to the weather update. It's December 7th, 2018. Yeah, we're rolling into December and we're in the cold air right now. Today we were only in the 30s for the most part. I don't even think we hit 40, or if we did, we just touched there. I'm just showing you the current temperatures across our area. But to our north, it's even colder. If you go upstate, you have single digits, especially into interior New England. Single digits. So you have some really, really cold air that's just to our north. Even some below zero temperatures, especially once you get north into Canada. Look at this, is all below zero here. Yeah, some really cold air. We're not going to see that. Nice. If we had a northerly wind, it would probably help. But we've got more of a northwesterly wind, no more of a westerly wind, so we're not really going to get into that frigid, frigid cold, that record breaking. If that would have come down here, it would probably break some records, but that's not going to happen. But we do have temperatures below normal, and I want to look at also the dew points. Show you that this is very dry air that we're dealing with here as well. So you have dew points in the teens. But again, if you go up further north, you have dew points in the single digits and even well below zero. So it's a pretty chilly air mass that we are dealing with. If we look at the radar, you see that there is some lake effect that's affecting some of the usual areas upstate. And we'll look at what the sky was today. Unfortunately, we did have some clouds around. Not a really clear day. Didn't start improving until like the afternoon. So we did have some patchy clouds around. I'll show you that right now on the satellite, high-resolution satellite. You can see, especially over Long Island, a deck of clouds popped up over our Pine Barrens. Looks like maybe New Jersey had less of that. This is all stems from the lake effect. Unfortunately, these lakes, I really wish they would freeze up the sooner they freeze up. When I was younger, they would freeze up. Actually, that does look like ice on there, so that's good. So hopefully they are starting to freeze, and that usually shuts off the lake effect and all the moisture that we get from it, because the problem is it spreads a lot of clouds into our area if the wind is a certain trajectory. So it's you can see more of a west-northwest wind when you have that. It goes over the lakes and it picks up some moisture and creates some clouds. Doesn't always happen, but we did have some clouds around today, so it wasn't a completely clear day until the afternoon. So no, I didn't go to the Pine Barrens today. I could have though. By like I said, 12:30, it was clearing out a little better, but wasn't going to go back to New Jersey again. That's where it looked like it was clearer. But anyway, speaking of New Jersey, one of my viewers said that they did get snow the other day, and I didn't realize it didn't hit Tom's River, but further south in New Jersey, they had some sizable numbers. And Atlantic County, Brigantine, and Atlantic City, 7.5 inches. So this was from the snow event that happened on December the 5th. Atlantic City, 6.4, Brigantine, 7.5 inches. That's quite a bit of snow. So they did actually get hit by that a little bit. As you went further north, though, Pleasantville, 3 inches, Galloway Township, 2 inches. So it seemed like it was right along the coast there around Atlantic City. Let's see, Burlington, yeah, barely anything at Tabernacle, 5.0. So it was the extreme southern tip of Jersey that got hit. Cape May County also, you have reports of 5 inches there. So that's pretty interesting. Cumberland County, Vineland, well, you have two numbers. You have 4.8 inches and 2 inches. Gloucester County, so this is extreme southern New Jersey here. Gloucester County, 4.2 inches. But Ocean County, they just got a trace. They got nothing in Ocean County. Trace. This was more of a storm for the extreme southern part of New Jersey. So that would be, I'll show you right here on the map. So then generally, this area right here, this extreme southern part, is where the snow occurred, but not Tom's River. They didn't get anything there. I mean, just a trace. So let's take a look and see. Let's take a look at the models. I guess that's what we're going to be looking at next. Let's see what's going to be happening. The good news is we have these storms being suppressed to the south. Don't know if all the clouds are going to be suppressed to the south, but the storm certainly is. Here's the 18Z run of the GFS. You can see that high pressure and the cold air coming down, protecting us from getting that storm. However, it looks like it will be a significant snow event for parts of West Virginia and North Carolina for them. But for us, it just stays to the south, luckily, and doesn't bother us, and it goes to the south. And then it looks like another storm tries to form on Tuesday, but also stays offshore. So you still got these warm waters, but fortunately, we have a very strong northern jet stream that's suppressing the storms to the south. And that will continue for at least a while, but I think this next one here, that's going to be forming for the weekend. It looks like Friday into Saturday. That one is going to be heading up, but it's going to be taking a rain track with the warmer air, so we will just be getting rain with that, no snow. That could be some heavy rain, or perhaps Saturday, late Saturday, late Friday night into Saturday. Could be some heavy rain. That's still over a week away, that system, so things could still change a lot with that. And then that moves out, and then we have another similar type of setup for another week later. So yeah, we're starting to see a return of the rainstorms, but not nearly as frequent as what we were having. But still, looks like another rainstorm will be on track for next weekend, not this weekend, but next weekend. And I'll show you, there'll be warm air in place, so we won't have snow. So the warm air will come up above, come out, and you can see the surge of warm air coming up with that storm. So this is over a week away, so things could change. But for this week, we're still going to remain below normal temperatures. You can see the cold air settling in here across the country. Let's take a closer look at our area. Let's change the regions. Let's take a closer look at what's going to happen this weekend. So you can see that really cold air off to the north on Saturday. So yeah, if we're in Maine, temperatures only be in the teens. But for us, we'll be in the mid-30s. Still well below normal, though. It's still about 10 degrees below normal. And then we get into Sunday, and we're still staying below normal. So it's going to stay below normal throughout, as you can see here. Going to stay below normal throughout this week until that rainstorm comes. But again, that's a ways off. It's still, things can still change. Now we'll look at the clouds and see what's going to happen with the clouds. All right. This is the GFS now. So the GFS brings in a significant amount of high cloudiness for us tomorrow, unfortunately. So it won't be a clear day. It might be clear over maybe New England a little bit there. But they'll still have some instability cloudiness. And then it tries to get suppressed a little bit on Sunday, but still has the cirrus over us. So it'll still kind of be not a nice sky. But by Monday, the cirrus does get out of here, and we do have a clear sky. So hopefully that happens by Monday, and then the same for Tuesday maybe as well, and Wednesday. So those 3 days may all be nice. And then the clouds start rolling in for Thursday. So hopefully we'll have some more clear weather. Hoping we'd have some more this week. We only had that really one day on Tuesday. But hopefully we'll get some more clear weather, some more mostly sunny weather. Because when you looked at the sky this morning, it really looked like it was going to be clouding up. So let's look at the NAM model here. We'll look at the NAM model next. All right, that's the 0Z run. We'll use the 18Z run. Let me look at that 0Z run for a minute. All right, that only goes out to 3 hours from now. So no, that's not going to be. All right, that's not going to be far enough into the future. So 18Z, the NAM pretty much backs up the GFS and rolling these high clouds and also generating some more instability cumulus that from the moisture. So you want to have a flow that's coming right from the north more and less off the lakes. That usually brings better skies, and like we had on Thanksgiving, that was like perfect that day. That's the kind of flow you want. That's when you get a nice clear sky. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like it keeps some clouds around for Saturday. Sunday, it does the same thing as the GFS, but then it pushes them south as we get toward Monday. So that's, so hopefully we get some more sunshine. And we'll look at the temperatures to see how the temperatures go here. It's still going to be pretty chilly, so you can see here, still getting into the 20s at night, maybe teens in the Pine Barrens, and 30s during the day. So yeah, normal average temperature for early January, but it's not that much below normal. The really frigid air is up here. It's not coming down here. I wish it was. That's like to experience that. I know so a lot of you may not like the extreme cold. I happen to like it. So I think we're getting close to the end of this weather update. I'll just look at one more weather model as far as the clouds go, because that's the main thing that we'll just have to watch for the next day or so. So let's look at the RGM with the cloud cover and see if that keeps the cirrus away. See, that keeps the cirrus away for tomorrow for a good part of it. So I'll have to see what happens, but I think the cirrus is going to come in, unfortunately, and kind of just keep the weekend kind of junked up, unfortunately. At least we're not getting the storm that's staying to the south. But the cirrus, we may, unfortunately, see some of that. So I think that is going to conclude this weather update. I'll just show you. Go back to the NAM, and I'll just show you one other thing here, and that's the precipitation, just to show you that it all stays to the south. So here we go. So it all, oh, that's the 0Z run. I gotta take this just to show you it all. It all pretty much stays to the south. You can see the lake effect coming off the lakes, but you see there's one of the systems that just stays to the south of us. So maybe Delmarva gets into a little precipitation, but that's as close as it's going to get. Fortunately, we have this air coming down that's going to keep it to the south of us. So that's good. Just hopefully we can get some more sunshine, less clouds. Hopefully, hoping by Monday, hopefully, get some more clear skies. All right, so that is going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.